Hi, this is a demo of the Premise Web Client library that I've built for the Premise Home Control software. This web client library that I built allows any app written in C# to talk via the native Premise TCP/IP protocol. It's actually an HTTP-based protocol. And this nice thing about this library is it fully supports the bidirectional notification-based mechanism that Premise supports. And so that your Windows Phone, Android, or iOS apps written in C# can be notified of changes on the server. What I have here is a demo application that I've written for the garages in my house. I have 5 garage doors between 2 garages, and I'm going to demo real quickly how this application works. So I'll start the app on the Windows Phone emulator, and as you can see, the application comes up and very quickly it's got real-time state of my garage doors. I'm going to go ahead and click on the close button for the lower east garage door, and that door is now going down. In a second you'll see the status change to closed. While it's doing it, I'm going to actually open up the upper center garage door by hitting its toggle switch, and you'll see that its state changes. You'll also notice that the lighting scene at the very bottom of the screen, which says upper garage all off, changes to not have the green dot, which means that the lights in the upper garage turn on when the door opens. That's via some logic I have set up in Premise. So I'm clicking on that now, and you'll see that the upper garage opens and the upper garage all off changed to the lights are on. I'm going to click on that button again for the center garage, and then again to cause it to close. So now that door is closing. However, when it's done closing, the upper garage all off doesn't change state because the lights are still on. There's an occupancy set for 90 minutes. And so while I'm in the upper garage working away, the lights stay on. But sometimes I want to be able to turn them all off. And so I can just click on that button and turn the lights in the upper garage off, and you'll see the state changes instantly. And that state change is done completely with Premise notifications. This Windows Phone app does not poll. All it does is make HTTP requests against the server. And in the cases where it's setting up notifications, it keeps that HTTP session open so that notifications can be delivered. So check out the Premise Web Client library on GitHub and build some really cool apps. Talk to Premise.